I'm Wes, the Auto Body Guy. After 15 years in the industry, I've decided it's time to share some of the tips and tricks I've learned along the way. Hey guys, welcome back to another auto body tutorial. Today we're working on this 2016 Honda Odyssey, and we'll show you how to remove the rocker trim panels. The video here is showing the attachment hardware. There's Phillips screws at the front and rear, and as you saw there earlier, there are no clips along the bottom. It's just a smooth panel. So we'll be using this Phillips screwdriver here on the Milwaukee 1/4 inch ratchet. Once you remove the Phillips screws, just take a rubber hammer and tap it forward from the back, and it'll slide off of the clips. And then we'll show you here how you twist the clips 1/4 of a turn to pull them out, and then you can reload them onto the rocker trim panel for installation. So there's the 1/4 turn, and it's got the rubber seal. Then you slide it back onto the trim panel. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you do, and we'll see you on the next one.